There it is, in its natural beauty, sneaking up on this wild predator. Been traipsing through the jungle to find this thing here. What do you think? What do you think? There it is, no makeup, no sleep. How you feeling? No coffee? Danger, danger awaits, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, baby.
Good morning.
Love you.
What is this?
Alright, y'all, woke up early today, 3 o'clock, 11 at 3 a.m. Go out, headed to the gym, train some arms. You already know what's up. Hey, babe. You ready to kill this workout?
Ready.
Let's do it. Workout in the books, y'all. Good solid bicep, tricep day. You gonna work out, Crystal?
Yeah.
Crystal says yeah. So it was good. Got my sweat on. Ooh, I like that shirt, baby. Savage. Savage. Just rep it with those pink pants.
Yeah.
Alright, so we don't have any food in the house.
No food.
We had to scrounge for breakfast.
Yes.
What you got?
So today we have a plate full of bacon.
Can't go wrong with bacon.
Nope. So we'll have 2 pieces of those. And then we each have a shake. They are from, I can't remember the name, Vital Proteins.
Alright.
And Robert's is vanilla. It's a keto mix, so it has a little bit higher fat. Mine is just regular protein, so it doesn't have as much fat. But we have cashew milk, unsweetened, plain, and then heavy cream, MCT oil. Boom. So we each got a shake. Vanilla, chocolate.
Boom. Alright, y'all.
Wowzers.
The plan for today is Crystal is going to make bricks, and I am going to go to a wedding in Kansas. That sounds fair, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I feel really bad that I'm not able to be here, but I'm in the wedding. I'm one of the, what are they called?
Groomsmen.
Groomsmen. Yeah, so I got to get all swabbed up and be in there for that, so I have to abandon Crystal in her hour of need, which I feel really bad about. I love you.
Love you too.
You gonna be able to make it without me?
He's gonna be gone for like almost 3 whole days.
Mm-hmm.
Sucks.
It does. But that's the plan.
We're just chowing down on our bacon.
Yeah. So I don't know what the footage is gonna be like. I don't know if it's gonna be cool for me to like whip the camera out in the middle of the wedding. You know, like as he's coming or as she's coming down the aisle. All right, now we got. So I don't know if that's gonna happen or not, but I'll get what footage I can. I wish Crystal knew how to edit, and then she could just keep the camera here and do some footage. But she doesn't, so.
I could totally do it if someone had the time to show me how.
All right, well that's on the to-do
Or
list
bought
as
me
well.
a computer that's good enough to do it on.
So
Interesting.
we will try and have an entertaining vlog the next couple of days while things are chaotic and I'm traveling for a wedding. That's all I gotta say about that. Catch you later. All right, y'all. So I'm about to head out to this wedding in Kansas, but before I do, let's check on the girls and see what they're doing.
Hey!
Crystal, Kayla, Trish, all in the building here, making some bricks. How's it looking?
Beautiful. Oh, of course, my booty's right there.
Typical. How's the machine running?
It's running pretty good. Its pump is a little bit slow, but it's good.
Pressure good? All right, they're good to go. About to jump in the van here, hit the road. I feel bad leaving her, but I've got to go to this wedding because I'm in the wedding. But she's gonna be all right. We'll make it work. In my haste to get packed up and leave so quickly, I forgot to pack any keto bricks. So I've stopped at Jimmy John's to get an unwich, which is kind of funny because we had the Five Guys yesterday, so I feel like I'm eating a lot of faster food. Not cool. All right, getting some gas now. Got my Jimmy John's. About to open it up. I get mine with bacon. The crunch is much nicer. And I get it without the mayo because I want the fat, but I don't want their mayo that's just made with like soybean oil. So I get it without mayo. But pretty good. About to dig into this. I feel weird eating like fast food 2 days in a row though. It's like very unlike me. Alright, y'all, I do not have very much footage today because I've been driving, but Alex is the one holding the camera right now. Can we show the audience what you look like? Alright, so this is Alex. He's getting married tomorrow. And his wife-to-be's name is also Alex.
Yes, it's pretty magical, let me tell you.
Congratulations, man. I'm excited for you.
Appreciate it.
But anyways, he got this super cool groomsman gift for us with my initials because he's awesome, thoughtful. In here we have a knife with my initials as well. Assisted opening. A flask with my name on it. And a little money clip with my initials on it. This is like a little humidor for cigar box if I want to make it a cigar box. So a very cool little groomsman gift. Very proud to be in Alex's wedding because Alex is the bomb diggity. I love you, man, and I'm excited for you. See you tomorrow.